Well, I'm Jochem and this is my MR2 and it's from 1999 and I'm owner now about 3 years. So I was looking for a new model that was a GT86, but I came across this one and it was very special and I was very lucky to able to buy it.
Why was it special?
Well, why it's so special is that it has a special body kit and it's very hard to find, even second hand. Special features of the car is probably mostly the engine in the back and the rear. It's driven the rear wheels.
Rear wheel drive?
Yeah. So it's amazing on the mountain roads in the corners and very fun to drive. Four-cylinder 2-liter turbo, about 260 horsepower, 300 Newton meters of torque.
Everyone says the Toyotas are really reliable, but is that really true?
So, yeah, it's kind of reliable, but it's still an old car. And it still amazes me how it survives, mostly the engine. And everything around it has replaced, but the engine is pretty reliable, I would say. I use the car mostly for special events or vacation. I don't really need the car. I can free travel the trains for my study, so the car isn't necessary. I paid around 14,000 euros.
And how much would you say you've spent on it?
I think about the same amount. I don't know what it would be worth now. It's so special, it's really hard to tell. I think the best thing about the car is the fun you have in the car, driving it on the road. It's so dynamic and it can handle almost every corner you throw at it. The biggest thing is the brakes, the livery I done, and the custom aero kit. I'm Jochem and this is my MR2.